This is tutorial number 26, and it covers how to use the Chamfer Sketch feature within CATIA V5. To start off, open up a new CATIA part file, and once you've done that, let's go into the Sketcher. So let's click Sketch, and click any of the sketch planes. Now the chamfer tool is located on the toolbar here. Now what it does is when you have sharp edges, just like the corner tool, you're able to create a chamfer on your sketch. Now to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to draw in a square or a rectangle. So let's do that. And now let's make some chamfers on these edges. Now the chamfer tool works just like the corner tool that we used in the previous tutorial. So you have to select two lines that come together at a point, and you're going to be able to create a chamfer. So let's click the chamfer, and let's click this line and this line. And again, you're able to pull it in, pull it out as much as you want. So let's put it right there. And then you're given some dimensions that you're able to parameterize. You can change the length. So let's double click on the length. And we can make it 30 and it'll expand. Or we can make it, say, 10 and it'll contract. So let's put it to 20. And you're also able to change the angle that it's at. Automatically, all the chamfers you're going to make are always going to be at like a 45, just like this. Now you're able to change it to, say, a 70. Or you can change it to a 30. And you'll see that it does accordingly. It'll change the size of the sketch and the angle. So let's keep going around and we'll do some more chamfers. So let's click this line and this line, and let's drag it in. And let's do this line and this line. And we'll do this line and this line. Now you're also able to chamfer a chamfer. So let's zoom in onto this corner here. You're able to put another chamfer across here. So let's click the chamfer, and let's click this line and this line. And you can see that we're able to do another chamfer right there. Now I'm going to draw a profile, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sharp corner and a longer corner for the angles. So just like the last one, I'm going to make that triangle. And let's give it some dimensions. So let's change the sector just so we get a different angle. Put it to sector 3, and let's change it to 15. And let's do from this line to this line, and let's make it 160. Now let's put some chamfers in here. So let's click this line and this line. And we'll put a chamfer in there. And you can see that because we put it at an angle, we're getting a different angle here rather than the 45. So you're still able to go in and edit it and say, make it a 45. And we'll do it to this angle here and this angle here. And again, we're getting a different angle than a 45. And this is because our angles and the lines that we're using are not like a box like the other one. They're kind of all over. So you're still able to go in though and change them and say make it a 45. So that concludes our tutorial on how to use the Chamfer Sketch feature within CATIA V5.